So here's how you can free nearly 3 to 4 gigabytes of storage in your PC. So how you can do is just click on Windows plus R. So here the run option would come up, and right here clean mgr. So you'll see it here. It will calculate everything because I have previously cleaned everything, but here also in recycle bin I have 5.15 GB here. And you can see that nearly 5 to 6 GB you can clear up from here. Click on OK and delete files. So it will take some time and it will delete everything. So done, I think so. Yeah, it has just I have just cleared 5 or nearly 6 GB of in the files. So again plus Windows plus R, but now press right here temp. Click OK. So you will see here many files. Just click Control plus A. It will select all the files and just click on right click if you are on Windows 10. If you're in Windows 11, you can click on delete and do all these for current items and continue. So some of the files would not be deleted because they are the local files of your PC. Just click here once more and skip. So all the files which are not available to delete, it will skip it. And some files would never go from your PC, so you have to cancel it. Just so that's it. So once more you have to press Windows plus R, then press percent icon, then temp, then again 1% icon. So here we can see the you have more files here. So you just have to click Control plus A. It will select all the files, and after that click on this icon and just skip all the other files which can't be deleted. So all the temp files are deleted and you have successfully deleted nearly around 7 to 8 GB of the rubbish which was in your PC.